Today is an awesome day. 2 stops we have to make. First stop, the bank. Oh, maybe this isn't open. Is the drive-thru not open for the bank? Well, that's annoying. Once again, Chase lets me down. I used to work for Chase for 15 years. And then stop 1 complete.
I like people like that.
It's time for messing up.
Oh, people.
I just bought something. I haven't told you what I've done yet, and I realize this video is probably super scattered. I just did a closing to buy a building. It's nothing crazy. The place we have right now is about 500 square feet or 480 square feet, and the place I just bought is 1,200 square feet, so quite a bit larger. It has a loft. It's gonna be so awesome. The plan right now is that I'm just gonna park our cars in it and use it as a place to store stuff and do projects and stuff, but long term I would love to like make it sweet and make it like a cool hangout. Like if I'm working on projects, I can take the kids there and they'll be able to entertain themselves, give Laura a break. Like I have huge plans for this. It's gonna be so sick. So basically this is gonna replace the storage unit that I rent, which is ironically, like literally, I am super stoked. So I'll give you a little bit of a tour. It's not heated or insulated yet. However, I plan to do that at some point. This loft here, I think I'm gonna move this staircase. It's not a great use of space. Really, I think I kind of want to put the loft above the door over here so it comes this way. I just think that that's kind of wasted space anyway, so having the loft above it doesn't really limit it. This loft will probably stay right here. So we will have the lift in here, both cars, the boat, everything. Oh, nice, he left this fridge for me. I'm envisioning like finishing this all off, having like slot car track and fridge, like a little couch or something up there, like make it a sweet hangout spot there. Put snowmobiles on this one. We got, oh my God. Like this whole thing, I'm so stoked. Thank you, Laura. This is gonna be so awesome. I know like it's a lot of money or whatever, but I'll give you all the numbers. So I paid $62,500 for it and I financed 80%. So I financed 50 grand. That makes the payment like $500 a month, which is almost the same as what we pay for our current storage unit. I mean, this is so great. I was a little bit nervous that it was gonna be smaller than I had hoped, but it is perfect. Like legit, the boat will fit awesome in this corner. The lift will fit awesome right here. I think I'm gonna have the lift out a little bit so that I can raise it and then put stuff, heavy stuff using the lift up there. So yeah, this is it. 1,200 square feet plus a 300 square foot loft. Seller left me some cool stuff too. Some shelves back here. Wiring this is actually gonna be easier than I anticipated too. So he's already got a bunch of LED lighting in here, which is cool. Plugs on the ceiling are cool.